Hey guys, my name is Kara Ford, and I wanted to talk to you today about core values that are not lived out priorities in my life and how I can pull those back to make a balance. I subtitled this First Things First presentation as Chasing the Sunset. I feel like we're always chasing the sunset. A lot of us are never getting to sit and watch it because our life is so imbalanced. So I want to talk to you about how core values can play a part in that. Many core values that we could have are listed here: dependability, reliability, good humor, motivation, service to others, religion. And those are brought to us from the time we're born. They're instilled in us through our parents, through coworkers, through bosses, people that we meet along our life's journey. We pick up a lot of these traits from. Core values are fundamental beliefs. They help us determine between right and wrong. They are illustrated in our personal and professional relationships. As I said, we acquire many of those from personal and professional relationships. And when talking about these, I feel like we need to have a mission for our life in order to know what we're missing out on and what have not been lived out priorities. We need to determine what is our mission. So whether in a corporation or in your personal life, finding ways to strengthen your core value system is very important. So I asked, what is your mission? And in doing that, I discovered the two that are not lived out priorities for me are my personal and professional life balance and my open-mindedness, and those two play a big role with each other. I'm not open-minded enough to let go of some of the control that it will take to balance my personal and professional life. And sometimes we just need to remember simplicity in life between our personal and professional lives, that everything doesn't have to be so hard or so involved. So it is healthy to keep a work and life balance, because if there's either overuse or underuse of either one of these two qualities, then it can be detrimental to personal and professional relationships. With a professional balance, you'll find increased productivity, increased employee engagement, improved branding, good mental health, creates a good environment, and so on. If you have your work and career and business performance responsibility weighed right, you'll find life, health, friends, happiness. In your personal balance in your life, it promotes better relationships, self-growth, productivity. You enjoy life, you enjoy work, you're healthier, you sleep better. And then my second thing was open-mindedness. If you're open-minded, it would require you to get out of your comfort zone. It would require you to let go of that constant control, and by doing that, you have to educate yourself and find different solutions that build personal and professional relationships. Then you would experience a change in growth, and in aspects of growth, many aspects of growth. In putting first things first, I can start building these core values back into my day by the balance comes from redesigning my day, making myself a list, separate my quality time away from the unnecessary, concentrate on the objectives, delegate some things out. I mean, it's okay to say no, and then I can watch the sunset. And then with my open-mindedness, I can start to get these back into my day by educating myself and pushing myself and considering the outcome, coming out of my comfort zone, hear ideas from other people, don't just listen, but hear them, and start to give away some of that small stuff, and somebody else can take control of the small stuff. And if they do a good job, start delegating it off to bigger stuff and that offers more responsibility to others, where I can sit and watch the sunset. This simplifies your life and aids in holding on to your core values, and therefore we put those first things first back into our priority list.